with CertaPro Painters. Today we're actually installing an epoxy floor, which is done with all Citadel products. You can see that once the trailer gets into your driveway, you have your crew setting up a workstation, keep the driveway clean, and then we will come in and we will get that floor ground. In our process, we actually use diamond blades and we will grind the entire floor. There is no water or any chemical going into that floor. It's all dry ground down. We do all kinds of repairs on any cracks, pitting, which is also done with fortification, which is a product that is 2 times stronger than concrete. After we get all the grinding done, then the whole thing will get vacuumed. We will clean out some of the stress cracks in there so your product can stick right to the floor and not into any dust or particles that are sitting on the floor. No need to vacuum before we get here. We'll do that for you. We are getting ready to lay the floor. So the boys are getting ready to get the product and the liquid going, opening up that polyurea and getting it all mixed. Once the product's mixed, you have like 20 minutes to get this down. So we're gonna move really quick to get a total coverage of the floor. We will be cutting in all the edges, cutting around any cabinetry, cutting around the floor line. Then we will go through and we will squeegee it down, back roll it in so it's completely smooth, and then they will come in and throw chip. So now that we have the chip down, there is a 2-hour dry time. So once this sets and gets set up, we're gonna give it about 2 hours, and then we'll be back to finish the floor. Once we come back after the 2 hours, we'll do a broad knife and scrape it down. So any excess chip that did not stick or extra pieces that are sticking up, we'll broad knife down to get a nice smooth surface. Then all that gets all vacuumed up and we start prepping for your clear coat, which will be the final step. The clear coat that's going down is the Citadel product, same as your base coat. It's an RG80 and it is a 2-part polyurea that's going to go down. It's going to be the coating over there that keeps the garage floor intact, solid, and can withstand the traffic of the cars, the lawnmowers, the snow blowers coming in and out of the garage on a regular basis. Clear coat goes down, you have 24 hours before you can walk on it, and we strongly recommend 72 hours before putting the car back on it. So the polyureas are not just for the garage floors. We have done many patios, which are very popular right now, and basements, any basements or rec rooms that need repairs. When putting this product down, it does come with a long warranty, and you'll be set for quite a while with your beautiful floors. So if you are interested in having a garage floor, a patio, or even a basement done, just call us at CertaPro Painters.